Robert's sitting right here, everybody. It's okay. Hi, everybody. Robert and I are at our new campsite, and we are loving it. You know, on the last video, I explained we had to move, and then today you can see how jumbled up everything is. But we're coming up with a new remodel for the inside floor plan. That's what I mean to say, that we think is really going to work. Of course, it won't be till after the Rice Ranch meetup at December 12th through 16th. I hope you guys are coming. And then Robert will go to Wyoming for Christmas, and when he gets back, then at some point we will redo the van, and we're hoping that that will work for us. We'll have to wait and see. But today I'm like being all Miss Sally Sue Homemaker, or whatever that saying is, and looking at the mountains and the desert, and it's just really lovely. And so I just want to share that if you're stressed, if you're overwhelmed, if you're at that point where you think, I can't do this anymore, I'm at that wall where I am about to say, sayonara, everybody, just hang on till the next sunrise that speaks to your heart and settles everything down like a placid lake. That's what I have to do, and do prayer and meditation in the meantime to make it through those moments. And then this morning, all is well. Aren't we a funny species? What are we having today, Robert?
Just another example of what I call slop.
Slop.
Another one-pot meal over the jet boil. It's kind of a Southwest thing.
Nice. Another good lunch. Thank you, hon.